Okay, I think I might be streaming. Let me just check. Okay, so yeah, we are streaming. So, okay. Okay, so, um, yesterday I upgraded my computer to a 1 terabyte hard drive, um, and I reinstalled Ubuntu. Uh, and last night I did a few things. Like one of the things was I added this alias to my um, bashrc file, and what it does, it allows you to use basically RDP, and then it allows you, if you have more than one monitor set up, to actually use more than one monitor uh, on your um, RDP. Uh, so when you log in, um, it will have it will show the actual screen on two monitors, which I kind of find handy, uh, especially for when you're doing stuff like try hacking or something like that. If you're using a different computer, because I use my laptop for my try hacking stuff. But anyway, so the main thing I want to do here tonight um, is uh, and I'm not looking in either the chat at the moment because I can't monitor two chats. So I'll, I'll do my best anyway. Ooh, uh, go to my stream here on. Tell you what, I'll go to. You see, I don't use this that often, so let me have a look. Uh, yeah, I know I'm live. So let me go back to my channel here on Twitch. There you go. So yeah, I'm also streaming live on YouTube. Excuse me if I cough a bit. I'm actually recovering from COVID at the moment, so go back here to YouTube and make sure that, like I said, come back here. Oh, I'm doing something off here on one of the other ones, so let's see. Let me just go back here. Okay, so that's better. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so that's better. Right. Uh, yeah, okay, so what I want to do is I want to set my VMs tonight. And one of the things is that most people they use uh, a VM player or VirtualBox for the VMs. I actually use Virtual Manager, which uses the QUEMU hypervisor. And the reason why I use that is because even though it's a software, which is a Type 2 hypervisor, it acts like a Type 1. So it actually interacts directly to the kernel uh, of the host. So that's why I use it. Um, so the first thing I'll need to do is I need to pull that up. And I found out last night that for some reason I need to run, maybe it's because I installed it with Snap, because on my old computer I just installed it with apt-get, But because I installed most of the things last night with Snap, I think I need to use sudo to actually install it. Well, not install it, but to actually run it. So let me just get it up. Accepting the password. Okay, there's Vert Manager. So what I've done is I actually most of my VMs actually saved onto a external drive that I have, or an actual internal drive. So let me just, I have this one here, this drive. I can just open it up. Come, there we go. What happened? Give me a sec. Okay, so I have an internal drive here that I call just the expansion drive, and then I also have another drive. Let me just get that up. I'll just get up our system here. I'll explain. Okay, so the way I have it here is that 250/41 is my old hard drive that I have plugged into an external dock. Then this here is an extra space, which has is 1 TB, and that's a normal hard drive, not an SSD. Then this one here is an external 3 TB drive. I probably have to clear all these up, but anyway, so I haven't actually done this yet. I can't, to be honest, I can't remember if it's in like extra space or if it's in the external drive that I have most of my VMs. I think it might be in the, I think it's a mixture of both. Yeah, I'm not very good at tidying up. Well, I need to go through stuff and get tidy it all up. But yeah. So check here. Uh, when was you last? That is that one. Let me open up this one here and see if we got here. Uh, so what I want to do is I want to open that one in a new window. So let's see. There should be one here called VMs also. Yeah, you can see I have a number of VMs. I even have a VMware player. Uh, so uh, I will be doing a lot of tidying up later on because there are a lot of things here that I don't need. So I think, oh yeah, these are the ones I want. Okay, so um, QM QUEMU uses the QCOW2 format, so that's how I know that these are all the ones I want. Uh, so um, I'm going to actually import those hopefully. Yeah, so that's Kali there. So we'll, we'll go and import that one. Now you can also install, what is it? Uh, the thing is that if you get a VMware player image, then you can actually convert that to a QCOW. You can just Google it and find out how to do it. I'm not actually going to do it. I don't think I am. Um, uh, I might. I'll tell you what. When I go to update Kali in probably in the next few weeks, because I'm sure there's going to be a Kali 2023 version coming out. Then what I'll do is I'll do a stream on that. For now, I'm just going to use this one here because I want to see if I can import it. So let me see if I can remember. So I need to go here. I think it's import existing disk. So we go to forward, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to browse, and we go to browse local, and it's extra space, it's the expansion, then it's VM. Come on. And actually, the first one I'm going to actually import is I'm going to import pfSense, because that's my virtual a virtual lab that I set up. I sometimes use it, sometimes don't, but anyway. So I'm going to see if that will import first. Can't remember what the OS was for pfSense. I think this is. I'm just going. Oh yes, it's CentOS, isn't it? I think it's Cent 7. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm not sure this is how. Yes, we do. Okay. Right. I think for this machine we just we just give it two CPUs and we'll uh give it a gig. I've got actually I'll give it a gig and two CPUs. I hardly ever use it anyway, so I can always change it later anyway. So let's see if this does what I want. I always say customize configuration before install, network selection, default. I think it's bridge device. I hope, or is it? Can't remember. It's either that one or. Okay, I think it's bridged. Let's see what happens. It's probably not gonna work. But anyway, yeah. Here's Nick. All right, so we'll see what happens anyway. Actually, I think. Oh, I can't remember how I had to set up before. I should have taken a screenshot. Uh, yeah. Anyway, look. I should have taken a screenshot. I'm just gonna just leave it as that. We'll see what works. Should be okay. That's not right. We don't need to install. We've already got it installed. Right, let's try this again. Nope, that's not what we want to do. I never can remember doing this. I thought it was just import. Let's go forward. Browse local. I want to do this anyway. Right. I think that's. Oh, say CentOS. I'm just going to leave it at the default. See what happens. Networking, we were set to, I think it's bridged. So let's finish and see what happens. Unable to complete the internet. Okay. Right. What was going on here? Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, so we'll just have to do a bit of troubleshooting here. I know it would have been a lot easier in VirtualBox and probably VM player, but I don't actually like them anymore. So just give me a second. Oh, that's it. I think I remember now. How to configure bridge network in. Let's go. Okay, let's see if we can remember how to do this. Okay, so yeah, I'm going about it. Actually, I'm going about it the wrong way. So, well, actually, not. I am and I am. So let's just do this again. So, this is actually a good one to show because I actually have two network cards. So what I want to do is just say open. We will say CentOS again. I think we're I'm really sure it's CentOS 10. So go forward, and then or maybe it's actually not CentOS 7. Sorry, it's forward. So we're going to leave it like that. Then go forward, and we will do customize configuration. Right. What I want to do is this. Okay, so the network, we actually have to add another NIC. So this one here is going to be a default NAT, and that's going to be, well, it's actually going to be a, uh, what do you call it? Never mind, can't remember at the moment. So I think this is, so what we need to do, we need to go here to add hardware, select I think it's network. Okay. Let's see. Do we have a bridge name? Bridge device? No, we don't have that. Okay. I'm wrong again. Sorry. Oh, that's what I need to do. I'm gonna do edit. Okay, so I'm thinking. Actually, I think it's new connection I need to add. Is it? No. Hmm. It is. Uh, how did I do this before? Use new connection. Is it? Uh, here we go. Connection details. Virtual networks. Here we go. Okay. So this is what I think we have to do. We have to add a new bridge one here. So we need to go here, and then we need to say, okay. I suppose it'd be routed would be the same as bridged. Uh, like yes, like hmm, the diagram I'm looking at the moment is a bit old. Okay, so we're going to change the network to going to call it bridged. BRID. Uh, IP4 configuration. That's fine. Uh, so it's going IP4 4. Enable, we don't need that. Okay, I think that's everything I need. It says forward to physical device. Yeah, device. Why is that working? This is annoying now. Nope. Right. See, yes. Great, I have to install the NetTools. Uh, knowing that now. Okay, sudo. I need to find out what the device name is. Oh, we've got a VR bridge. Should be EN0. But I don't know why it's not coming up. Don't know. We'll just see what happens. So it says EN0. Let's just see what happens. Oh. Let's see if we can do this. Let's go to this again. Okay, so I need to do this again. We'll see with that. I'll probably change that later on. Right. Why is it not showing up? What's going on here? Should be select the device there. Why is it not working? Leave that as not. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Well, it's actually booting, so. Okay, so that's booting. Uh, okay, doesn't look right. Anyway, like I said, I hardly ever use pfSense anymore, so uh, we'll just ignore that one. For some reason, it's not doing what I want it to do. This is not turning out to be a good night for me. Um, I wonder if I can import. Uh, anyway, let's try Kali. Probably won't do anything else either. Uh, like, there we go. That's where you went. There we go. So let's try the Kali one off first. Um, I think don't they use Devin Kelly? Or is it Ubuntu now? I can't remember. Okay. I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna stop the stream. Uh, what? No. No. Okay. I'm stopping the stream. It's not. Oh, do I know what I'm